Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and review of Realme 3i smartphone. This is the mid-range smartphone by Realme, and you can see the branding of 3i and with the Realme. So just quickly unbox it, and you can see the small box, and you can see here, welcome to Realme family, branding of Realme. Okay, so this is the SIM ejector tool, some paperworks, keep this aside, and transparent TPU case, and here's the phone itself. The font itself, you can see it looks great, the vibrant color. Keep this aside, let us check what we get inside the box. So this is the charger, and if we talk about the power rating output of this, okay, so this is the output of this charger is 5 volt 2 ampere, and this is the USB cable. This is the micro USB cable. Over there you can see USB 2.0 to micro USB cable. Okay, so let's come to the phone. So here the phone itself, and if we talk about its physical overview, on top we got nothing. On right we have the power button, and on the bottom we have a 3.5 mm headphone jack, dual microphone, micro USB port, and a speaker. And on this side we have volume rocker up and down and SIM tray. Quickly eject it and see what we'll get. Okay, so this is not a hybrid SIM slot. You have option to insert 2 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card slot. Very good thing. And if you talk about the front, we have a 13 megapixel camera with dual notch display, and on back we have a dual rear camera 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel with flash and fingerprint sensor over there. Just quickly boot it up. Okay, by the time it boots up and I set it up, I will give you the quick specification of this phone. Okay, it has a MediaTek Helio P60 octa-core processor, 6.2 HD plus LCD screen with deep draw notch display, and it comes with 3 GB and 32 GB internal storage and 4 GB and 64 GB internal storage variant. It has dual nano SIM with dedicated micro SD card slot, real dual camera 13 megapixel f1.8 aperture plus 2 megapixel with depth sensor. Front camera is 13 megapixel. It has 4230 milliamp hour battery. It comes with Android Pie. It has fingerprint or face unlock for better unlock security. So I've set up the device. So here's the UI of Realme 3i. Looks great. And if we go in settings and talk about storage, okay, you got 21.2 GB out of 32 GB, and out of 3 GB RAM, 1.83 GB used by system. And if we talk about phone and see the ColorOS version, So the color OS version is 6.0 and it is running on Android version 9, and the Android security patch level is of June 5, 2019. Okay, now let's check the camera. It has dual rear camera, and if we talk about the camera, so it comes with photo, portrait mode, and video option. And if we go in settings, the photo ratio is available in 4:3, 1:1, and full screen. Timer is available, touch to take photo, volume button, volume shutter, zoom is available. Great. Smart gradient, shutter sound, location, flip selfie, auto HDR, AI scene recognition, and watermark is available. Okay, let's take a photo and see what photo details we get. So here you can see the photo quality is good. If we zoom in, we didn't lose the photo quality, and the color gradient is also good. The color is not fading. Okay, and if we talk about face unlock and fingerprint sensor, okay, you can see the fingerprint sensor is really very fast and responsive. You can see it is very fast and responsive. And if we talk about face unlock, okay, let's check the face unlock. Here you can see the face unlock is really very fast and responsive. It is really very fast and responsive. So guys, this is the unboxing and review of Realme 3i smartphone, which is running on Android Pie. Here you can see it is running on Android Pie. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.